Believe it or not, how you slice an onion affects how it's going to taste, and how it's going to taste affects what kind of recipes you're going to use it in. There are cells in the onion that release a chemical that gives off that odor and that sharp taste, and it also releases that gas that causes us to cry when we slice into an onion. There are two common ways to cut this guy, and I'll show you both of those and what kind of recipes to use those slices in. First, I cut off one end so I can sit the onion on the cutting board to make it more stable to cut. I'll slice it from end to end, peel off the skin, and then cut the other end off. If you cut the onion vertically, meaning from end to end, you'll cut less of those cells and it will create a milder taste. See how the slices have this soft arc to them? Cutting it this way will also create a few less tears. This is the most popular way to cut an onion, and it's used in fajitas, French onion soup, caramelizing, stir fries, and sautés. Now, if you cut the onion horizontally or around the middle, you'll create those half circles or rainbow shapes. These slices have a stronger taste, which also causes more eye-watering. This method is great if you want a stronger taste on your sandwiches, or if you cut full-size rings, this is perfect for making onion rings.